Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiara. If you're new here, hello. If you've been watching, sorry I've been MIA forever. But if you want to see how to get this look and super awkward poses, just keep watching.
Kelly spraying through the Benjis, nigga.
So I'm starting by priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm just tapping that in with my fingers. And next I'm taking my McGrath palette. OMG, can't believe I have one. What? And I'm starting with this brown shade here and putting that into the crease. Next, I'm gonna move into the dark purple shade and a small detail brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go into the crease very tightly, and you'll see what I mean, and just kind of wing that out and keep it like in the crease, okay? Next, I'm just gonna take this ColourPop concealer. I forgot what shade it is and the color rubbed off. So I'm gonna take this shade and cut my crease. I even left this in real time for y'all so that you could see how I struggle. But I didn't do the other eye because that would just be torture.
Kelly spraying through the Benjis, nigga.
Next, I'm taking this green shade and I'm just going to pack that over the lid and kind of stray away from the cut crease line about like a third of the way out. And now I'm going to take a flat brush, detailed, and just kind of run it along the crease line just to define it a little bit more and give it that extra like pizzazz. I don't know. And now I'm taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows, and make them look kind of even. They're sisters, not twins, okay? Don't judge me. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and wing that line, and I'm using the Kat Von D Dagger liner in black. And now I'm going to take my NARS foundation in the shade Caracas. Caracas. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over my face and, you know, blur out all of my ugly. And I'm gonna start with using this flat Morphe brush, and then I'm gonna move into a sponge to make it like more seamless, you know. And hey y'all, watch this. Watch me be extra here in just a second, okay? And now I'm going to cream contour, and I'm using, I think it's chocolate. It's the medium to dark cream contour kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'll blend that out with like a pointed brush. And now I'm taking the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just using a dome round like concealer brush to lay that down. And I'm gonna go back to that Morphe sponge and Morphe sponge, and I'm gonna blend that out.
Kelly spraying through the Benjis, nigga.
And I'm taking this powder brush and my Laura Mercier loose translucent powder setting powder, and I'm just gonna set under my eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. And now I'm taking the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm using that dark brown contour shade. And don't be like me and over dip your brush, because I overdid that and it took a lot of work to blend that out. So learn from my mistake, okay? And I'm just taking a powder brush and knocking off that powder under my eyes and chin and lip and nose and forehead. And then I'm going to set using my MAC powder in NC 43 or 45, I can't remember. And I'm using this big fluffy brush from Morphe. Next, I'm taking the Juvia's Place Volume 2 palette. Ooh hoo hoo, Pikachu, look at you. And I'm gonna just put some blush on my cheeks. And I forgot to show, but this is the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette, and it's the shade right next to that brown shade that I'm using to like kind of contour my nose and give it some color back. And now I'm spraying with the MAC Fix Plus just to set my face, and I'm taking a brush to really like pat the foundation down into the skin to give it that nice like skin-like texture. Next, I'm using my Artist Couture X Jackie Aina highlighter in the peach, and I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks, lip, chin, nose, and forehead. Basically, your entire life.
Kelly spraying through the Benjis, nigga.
And now finishing up the eyes, I am just taking the two shades that were put into the crease on the lower lash line. Obviously the purple going first and closer to the waterline, and then buffing that out with the light brown shade in the palette. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take that golden white looking shade and place that on the inner corner of my eye just to give it that extra razzle dazzle. I am then finally setting my brows with a clear brow gel from Ulta that's really not that clear anymore. And I'm putting on mascara by L'Oreal. It's the one in the pink tube. I can't remember what it's called right now. And I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I'm lining my eye with the NYX black pencil liner, and then I will line my lips with I think it's MAC pencil. Couldn't tell you the name. And I'm just gonna go over with a clear Morphe gloss with a little bit of glitter in it and blend that out, and then I will go ahead and pose it out very awkwardly. If you guys like this look, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow my Instagram, and yeah, come back. I'm gonna try to post regularly now and not be a piece of garbage. Later, guys.